What's up? Number two. Always number two.
Yeah.
I'm number one, so you're number two. Sorry.
Oh, we're back in the Cruizen By Design studio. It's been 2 weeks.
I know. It felt great. I mean, it felt so long. I'm so sorry.
He was actually really happy. He was like, wow, it's so much easier now.
I don't have to move your car out every day.
We'll zoom in on the eye roll when you get that.
Yeah.
I can't show this, right?
Yeah, that's fine. It's still not finished yet.
He didn't want it to be shown, right?
That's true.
Okay, so today we are working back on the Cayman because we took a pause last week and we worked on the Genesis a little bit, but this is the surgery part.
Oh, this is the very, very light beginning of surgery for this car.
Yeah. It's time to cut the bumper.
Gonna cut it up.
We're gonna be hacking up a perfectly good bumper because it's not perfectly good.
I was gonna say it's not perfectly good, so that's why we gotta hack it up. We're gonna get Sawzall, we're gonna get everything. We're gonna be like this.
You're gonna karate chop it off.
Chuck Norris, we're gonna Chuck Norris the shit out of this.
Unfortunately this part sucks. This part sucks.
All the other parts?
Pretty good.
We're not too far off here, and it just needs to go down a little bit.
So what's also not coming in camera is kind of hard to show is it's high. It's like much higher than like this. My finger can't come across.
But our hood was pretty good, I thought, right?
Yeah.
It's not bad, but it could go down a little bit. So hopefully if we can pull it down just a little bit, these two will go back where they need to be with a little trimming. And then we can cut the sides off and do a little Chuck Norris.
Hold on, we got a big ass smudge on here. What the heck? For those of you who don't know, we make new videos every single Tuesday. So if you haven't seen any of these build videos, go ahead, click in this right-hand corner. We're gonna put you guys on the tripod and we're gonna get to hacking up this bumper. Key step, because after that, we can start trying to mount the flares, right?
Yeah. Yep.
That is it. This is the thing that's holding us back from mounting these flares right now.
And then the lots of work to mount the rear flares.
Yeah, lots of work.
And then it would be body work, trying to make everything
perfect, yeah.
And then it would be to the paint/wrap phase.
And carbon fiber phase. I think carbon fiber has to happen before.
Yes, all the carbon.
Hey, Junior, Greg, do you guys want to say hi? Don't fall off.
How you doing?
They're up there doing,
Babe, stop recording. Yeah. So what's up, Snap? Keep it a secret.
They're up there doing things. You guys hear the ice cream truck and you guys are all out here? Is that what it is? Ice cream man.
What's up, fellas?
Hey. This is where we're going to be cutting. If you come look at this side, this is how much we'll be cutting on this side. Sounds scary. It's fiberglass. It goes back together, right?
Yep, that's all itchy.
Time to pull this baby off and start cutting, right?
Cut it right there.
Oh, cut it right there. That's what we're doing. I'd like to take this time, have a quick moment of silence for this bumper, and hopefully we don't ruin it.
Sorry.
Alright, so what we've done, like you guys saw, cut the bumper. Now I've taken these end pieces, and look at it. This isn't made poorly in the sense that it doesn't, I don't know, it fit, I was gonna say it doesn't fit poorly, it does fit poorly, but this is actually made really nicely, the curve, because it does fit this if you cut it. These body lines are perfectly matched up on this side, as well as perfectly lined up on this side. Look at this. Fitment right here is just beautiful. Now, if only there was a bumper attached to it. Okay, so now I gotta put the bumper up and try and puzzle piece this thing back together. Where are you going?
I'm going home. Where are you going?
I'm trying to go home too. So let's close this out.
Okay, bye. Peace.
Bye.
Yeah.
Okay.
So funny.
So
you have, you're now Frankenstein. You're close to Frankenstein. We've got a bunch
am.
of screws in there and some big gaping holes.
Frankenstein.
That even looks like Frankenstein.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, but it's just a temporary hold on, as what most things we do are. You got to put it on temporary to make sure everything fits, and then make it right.
Yep, so this is things that you guys didn't see. The reason that I have these brackets right here, it's Frankenstein like Kyle said, it's so that we can build all the fiberglass or redo the fiberglass in between, right, to fill that, and then it's going to be body work after that to make this fit right.
Yep.
But
got to structurally do it from the back side with some fiberglass so that we can make it all nice on the front side.
that is the plan. So now there's a lot of fiberglass work and body work ahead of us. And as soon as we get this knocked out and the bumper can be bolted to the car by itself and like literally just be mounted and be in place and everything fits, then we can move to the fenders, the last piece of putting this kit on the car. And then it's just body work from there on everything.
The rear flares.
Yeah. And then
Yeah, those are not going to stay duct taped.
they're not. So this is what we have on both sides of the car. Pieces of metal, screws, pieces of metal. And honestly, the gap isn't like humongous, but what you can see is the fitment on this is really nice, and it fits around the headlight really well now. The fitment is gonna be A1, right? A1 steak sauce?
Oh yeah, I haven't had steak sauce in a while. Why are you bringing me a steak?
That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, we make new videos every single Tuesday, so if you guys haven't subscribed, don't miss out on all the cool stuff that we've been doing. We'll catch you guys in the next video. We'll see you next Tuesday. Hopefully we'll have some fiberglass work done. Yay! Yay!